Hey guys, the good folks over at Lawn Life gifted us this gas grill to do a little box opening, assembly, and then try it out and let you know what we think about it. So let's get started.
Okay, with it open side down.
The open side is down.
Yeah. And that is nowhere in the instructions. This should go up to here.
Okay, got the burners going. Got everything wiped down and ready to go. I'd suggest burning that coating off before you put your food on there. Let it burn for a little bit. And then you should be good to go. Boy, it's putting out the heat, I can tell you that. We'll be cooking here in a minute. Like I said, it was pretty easy to put together. No complaints other than the gas line and that striker wire. Let it burn for a few minutes, and we're going to get something going here on the griddle and get some steaks and jalapeno poppers going over on the grill. Should be tasty. Now, if I didn't mention it already, all this stuff is non-stick, so shouldn't have any problems there. Slides. All right, we have steaks on there and jalapeno poppers. Fixing to get something going on the griddle over here, so should be a good supper. Got some bacon here. Well, the steaks are almost done. I did notice you need, like the jalapeno poppers, I guess the bacon started making it flame really good, so I moved those up on that top tray, and everything's going good. Should be ready to eat here in a few minutes, so I'm gonna wrap this video up, and appreciate y'all watching. If you want to get yourself one of these, I'll put a link down in the description where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value at all out of the video, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't done so yet. I would appreciate it. I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.